guys, it's me, Rachel, and welcome back to my channel. So I am very excited. So I ordered this package from Maniology, and I got a free kit, and I've been waiting and waiting for it to come in the mail, and it did, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and open it up. So I'm just trying to rip it open now. Very tough. Oh, another thing that I'm really excited about is that this package came from Honolulu, Hawaii. And if you didn't know, I love Hawaii so much. I've never been there, but I really want to. And I really want to live there. But, so, the last person who touched the stuff inside was in Honolulu, Hawaii. It's really hard to open, but I'm getting there with my strong fingers. Actually, just kidding. Anyway. Smells like nail polish. Alright. Here it is. I'm so excited! If you have seen my opening the Lipsessed video, you'd know how excited I got on that one, and this is like the exact same amount of excitement. Like, that's exciting. I'm so excited. I actually have one of the lip balms from that video right here. It's the honeysuckle honeydew one. So here's just that thing. I just keep touching my hair because I'm super excited. Alright, so. Alright, so yeah, I got the one that's a wild heart. Wherever the website I was on, I got to pick. I just can't open it. It's so pretty. Here, I'm gonna adjust the camera real quick. Alright, so I adjusted the camera so you can see it here. And I'm really excited. So I also have like a mirror here so I can see what you're seeing. So I make sure you can actually see it in the camera. Oh, and you also get to see my lovely background. So now we're going to start opening it up. Just need to adjust because I'm short and this chair is not tall enough for me. Alright. I'm just trying to get this thing. I'm actually going to go get some scissors. Let me see if I have some real quick. I don't see any beside me. Looking above here. I'm gonna go and get some scissors real quick. Once I figure out how to hit the button. Oh, I think I found it. Eek. Alright. I have got the scissors right here. So, before I had, hold on, can you see this? Not really. So, I had this one before. This is like a stamping tool. And me and my cousin got like a bunch of nail polishes from a friend, and she gave us like a stamping thing, and we didn't really know what it was, so we split up the kit. She took some of it, I took the rest, because we were just like, oh, it's something for your nails, we'll figure out what it is. And then we figured it out, but we split up the kit, and one of us lost one of the things, because we each got two, but yes. So if I ever, somehow, I probably won't, but if I possibly lose one of the stamping thing in here, I have a stamper. Anyway, I got the scissors, and we're going to open it now. Enough talking. I'm too excited to talk anymore. Alright. Oh no! I ripped it! Oh, why am I so clumsy? I don't know. Anyway, I can't even talk. Eek, I just moved the camera. Anyway, I think I moved it to the right position now. I want to cut the box. I'm going to keep this box forever. Not really. Alright, so here it is. Alright. I'm so excited. Alright. So, I'm like so beyond excited. So, here we have the 2 stamping plates. I'm holding them upside down. Here they are. Can you see both? So here's the one. And here's the other. This is going to be so much fun. So I'm just trying to think which ones am I going to do? Alright, so we'll get to those later. Alright, so here's the manioligy stamping guide, which I'll look at. Here's the thing that when you're done, you take like one of these, you put the nail polish on. Yeah, you probably know how it goes. Alright, so next we have this really pretty nail polish. What color is it? Restless Dahlia. It's so pretty. Alright, so there's that. And then there's another nail polish in here. It's this color. And it's called Teardrop. And you can swatch it up here. And yeah, there's that one. And then there's the stamper. Alright, let me try to get this open. Where does it start? Comment down below if the comments let you, if you have the manioligy stamping kit, or if you just have a stamping thing. Stamping thing. Alright, so here it is. Oh! It's like sticky, like a jelly. It's like soft. It's like it's like sticky at the top. And like really squishy. Oops. I don't think that should affect anything. But this is like hard. It's like really hard to push, and it kind of hurts when you push it on your nails. But this, it just like kind of, this is rolling. Yeah, this is just like really, it's like jelly. Do you see that? I'm like barely touching. Yeah, wow. I'm just not expecting that. I thought it'd be like hard and plasticky. Anyway, that's really neat. Sorry, I just keep doing that. Alright, so I'm just going to put the lid on. This is manioligy there. I watched a bunch of videos, and sometimes there's like stuff at the bottom. I don't think there will be. No, there's not. But it's okay. Oh, does that open? No, I think that's not supposed to open. Sorry, I'm getting really close to the camera with this. I'm just going to pop that back in. And now, why don't we just try it? Alright. Alright, so here it is. So, what I'm going to do first is clean my nails because they're a bit dirty at the bottom. So I'm just going to take like something sharp to like get under there and just like wash my hands and scrub my nails. So I want them to be clean when I do it. Alright, so I cleaned my nails now, and I don't know if you can tell, but to me, at least, they look a lot cleaner. So now what I have is a small cup of water and some Q-tips. Now you're going to pick the sheet that you're going to use. I think I was wrong. I'm not going to pick one right now because there's so many good ones to choose from and I can't really choose. So first I'm going to do is peel the blue film off. Eesh, that was hard. Alright, so now it's silver and shiny. Oh, you can see me. Hi. Alright. So, I'm going to do the same with the other. So now the other is done. Now I'm going to paint my nails with the nail polishes. But before I do that, I'm going to put on the base coat. Oh, sorry, I can't hit the button. This is hard because I'm using a mirror to see it. Right now, I really wish I had one of those like nail dryers because my nails are taking forever to dry, and I want one of those like ones that you like stick your hand in and it dries them for you. Then I don't have to like blow on it and wave my hands around all over the place. So now I'm going to paint all my nails with this nail polish, except for my middle finger, I'm going to use that one. And around my nails, I'm going to take this tacky glue and put it around so when I stamp and paint my nails, it won't get on the skin. Alright, so the glue isn't like completely dry. As you can see, there's still some white on my finger, but it's dry enough to like paint my nails. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. Now I've got the first layer on. Now I just have to wait for it to dry. I forgot to do this one, this color, but I'm going to wait for this to dry and then paint that over this color. Alright guys, so you're going to be right here. Okay, so the phone died, or almost did, 2%. So I had to put it on the charger. It's on the charger still, but I just had to lean you up here. So anyway, so I'm just going to like test the palettes onto a piece of paper first before I actually do it on my nail. Okay, so what I did was I did the middle finger and I put a layer of clear polish on top. So now I'm going to take this. I really want to do this right. I don't want to mess up. Alright, so first I'm going to try like that dream catcher there. Okay. Oh wait. I need a scrapey thing first. Oh my goodness, I can't. I did it. I missed like the corner though. There's water on it. Alright, so I'm going to practice this a couple times and then I'll try it on my nails. Alright. I tried and it's kind of a huge mess because I don't have 100% acetone nail polish remover. I only have the oily kind and water, but it's not the worst. So here is my pointer. Here is my middle finger. Here's my ring finger and my pinky. And on the other hand, here's my thumb. Oh, did I show you my thumb on this one? My pointer, my middle finger, my ring finger, and my pinky. That's how it turned out. Now I'm just going to peel the glue away. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I know I did. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!